As you can see in the title, guys, today we are going to clean my makeup because it's a total mess here. So first, let me fix something. Stupid. Now let's clean them. That's why I hate cleaning my makeup, because it's everything a mess and it's so much radioactive stuff here. Look at this mess. Look at this. Let me put this down and let's do the cleaning. So first we have my makeup brushes, which are super dirty, as you can see. These are disgusting, honestly, guys. And since I did that makeup with that blue, this is so messy. I don't know. I think I should just throw this, but I can't. I can't throw this. But we'll see if... By the way, here I have some alcohol to clean them, because I use this to always clean my brushes. It's very good, and I don't know, I prefer to make it like this, because if I just clean them like every day with water and soap, they would just not... they will still be wet when I need to use them, so this is not an option for me. So I prefer to just disinfect them. So this is the right way, guys. This is the right way. And look how clean this looks. It's so pretty. Now let's take the next one. Do this motion again, because we don't want to break the brush. We don't want to do that. But I think I will need to just buy another set of brushes, because these are oldies now and still they are good, but I don't know, I just want to get some new ones. But still, if I would get new ones, I won't throw these ones, because these have like a story already with me. Like, I use them a lot of times and they are my little babies now, and I don't know, I just don't like to throw stuff, because if you just throw like stuff that you can still use, it's bad. I mean, I always try to use all the stuff until it's nothing left in it. I mean, you will see probably in my foundation that I still have like super little bit of foundation, but I still haven't thrown it, because I just want to use all of these. I mean, I'm not that arrogant person that will just throw everything because, I don't know, it's just bored of it. I just like to use them until they finish, because this makes me feel so better. And I don't know, to just throw them when you just can't just give them to someone else if you don't use them anymore, for example, because you just don't want to keep them to expire or something. You can do that, but don't throw them. There are a lot of people on the internet, or not on the internet basically, but which would just love to have those makeups that you just throw. I mean, there are so many kids, girls, that would just love to have that makeup that you just throw, and they don't afford it. So guys, these are my oldies palettes, and this is not like all the stuff that I have, but these are only the ones that I mainly use like almost every day. I mean, not all of them, but these are the ones that I just opened. So this is one of my favorite ones. This is from Primark, and it's just so cute. I will show you, but let me clean it first. So this is one of my favorite contour palette, because it's just so cute. Look at this, guys. It's so dirty now. And this is the palette that I just bought for that video, for the cheap makeup, and I swear this one is so nice. I mean, I use it every day and it's just doing its job. Oh my god, this is one of my oldest palettes that I have here, honestly. And this is also one of my favorites, because this is like the realest palette that I ever used, and This one is the palette that I've used so much. I mean, this one is, I use this every day. I even use this for my eyebrows, and this one is my most favorite palette from the everyday palettes. This one is just so versatile, and these shades are super nice, and you can make so many different makeups with this. Another one, which is also from the same brand and also from the same series. This one was the Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose, and this one is the Revolution Reloaded Neutral Stew. This one, I think I got it like at the same time when I got that one, and this is also one of my favorites because when I started doing makeups, I mean, when I started seriously doing makeups, I had these two palettes and they were just so insane for me. I mean, I just love these shades. These are the perfect pink shades, and you have also the red here. You also have some browns, and I'm sorry for this, but this one broke one day when I was traveling with this makeup palette, so I'm sorry. These ones, which are also my favorite palettes, because these are, I don't know, these are another thing. I mean, these are not for everyone because this doesn't contain like everyday shades. I mean, just look at this. These are so beautiful, and oh my god, I just fell in love so much with this palette. And also, the last palette and one of my favorites is this one from Makeup Revolution, the Chilled with Cannabis Sativa. Look at this, guys. This is insane. This palette is one of the most beautiful palettes on this earth. If you are doing green makeup or something, this is just perfect. And you also have so many shades. Like, you can make so many makeups, like versatile makeups. And this is insane. This palette is one of my favorites, and I swear that when I will just make some money, I will like buy 10 of these and I will make a giveaway with this because I just want to spread some love. This is love, guys. This is love. Makeup is love. So now I will clean my foundations a little bit because these are so dirty. This one is my favorite foundation from all the time. This one in shade Ivory. It's my favorite one. And it's full coverage, guys. And it's so cheap. Now I will clean this BB cream, which is super cute for a super wearable look. And the shade is super nice for this. I already like wear this right now. And as you can see, my face is looking super pretty right now. And now we have all the stuff cleaned. We just need to reorganize this because it's still messy. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we have all the makeup cleaned. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to do the human versus phone because tomorrow is Wednesday, so keep on watching.